Hello, my name is Terrence Zamora, and today I'm going to talk about my favorite place to be. Though I've never been to Europe before, I would definitely like to go, and I would definitely rather be there today because we're having horrible storms here in Columbus, Georgia, and the tornado siren's gone off probably about 5 times. So being on a Viking River cruise would be much better than being here. One day, this is a dream of mine to do this, is to go ahead and book a cruise on this with my wife and maybe some friends, and just to go visit different parts of Europe and check out what they have on these river cruises. I don't really like big boats, so I think the river cruises are probably the best way to go. And as you can see, they've got all different places to go in Europe. You could go, France, Portugal, Germany, so on and so forth. Various dates, and you can choose different lengths of time to go. I'm going to take the longest cruise eventually. The plan is when I retire to actually go on one of these cruises, or actually try and hit them all up, but probably the first one I'll go on is the one in Germany. It's the Elbe River, just to check it out because there's a lot of history in that country and a lot of things to do. And the nice things about these cruises is they stop at a different city like every night or every couple nights, and let you get off and check out the different things and the sites, and you get like a little tour or whatnot. And it's really interesting. So, you get some history because I'm a history buff, and then you get to see, a different part of the world. So, there's the price, and, it stops in 2 countries. There's 7 tours. It stops over a 10-day trip. But of course, like I said, there are some that go even longer, and I'd probably like to take even longer ones. So that's where I wish is at right now, on this river cruise, checking things out. But that's alright, even though it's not today, it will be at some point here in the near future. Thanks for checking this out. I hope I inspired some of you to go ahead and see what's what out there, and have a good day. Bye.